Every year, countless workers face dangerous situations in industrial settings. While progress has been made in improving safety, industrial accidents still lead to injuries, disability, and fatalities. What if these accidents could be prevented? In today's video, we will explore the most common industrial accident, why they happen, and how we can keep workers safe. Stay tuned for practical tips, real life example, and essential safety practice that could save a life on the job. Hi, I am Amanraj and welcome to today's safety training videos. If you work in manufacturing, oil and gas or any other industrial sector, you know how hazardous the environment can be. But the good news is most industrial accidents are preventable. Today we are going to take you through the most common industrial accident, the robot root cause of each, and how you can protect yourself and your colleagues from getting hurt. Let's dive in. In this video, you will learn the most common industrial accident, the root cause of each accident type, practical step to prevent accident and improve safety, the importance of personal protective equipment, what to do in case an accident occur, and how to respond swiftly and effectively. The most common industrial accidents are first are slip, trip and fall. Slip, trip and fall are among the most common accidents in industrial settings. These can happen due to the wet floor, uneven surface or debris left on the ground. To prevent them, always maintain a clean and dry work environment. Install non-slip mats and encourage workers to wear appropriate footwear. And second is falls from height. Falls from height are particularly dangerous in industrial like construction or warehousing. Always use fall arrested systems such as guard drills, safety nets, and personal fall protection like harness. Workers should be trained on ladders and escape holder safety before working at height. Third is machinery accident. Machinery related accidents are a leading cause of industrial injuries. Ensure that machines are properly guarded, workers are trained in safe operation procedure, and look out, tying out protocols are followed when serving equipment. And fourth is electric shock. Electric shock are dangerous and often deadly in industrial setting. Proper grounding of equipment, routine electrical inspection, and the use of industrial tools and PPE are essential to prevent electrical accident. And fifth is chemical burns. Exposed to hazardous chemicals can cause serious injuries such as chemical burns. Make sure all workers wear the proper PPE such as gloves, goggles, and protective suits, and always follow the material safety data sheet for handling chemicals. Explosion or fire. Explosion or fire can occur due to fall equipment, flammable material, or electrical malfunctioning. Regularly inspect equipment, ensure proper storage of flammable materials, and install fire suspension system is in key areas. Seventh is cave-ins or collapse. Trench cave-ins are a serious hazard in industrial like construction and utility works. Workers should never enter a trench deeper than 5 feet without protective system in place like trench box, shoring or shields. It is repetitive stress injuries. Repetitive motion like lifting, typing, or operating machine can lead to a stress injuries. Prevent this by rotating tasks, providing ergonomic work stance, and encouraging regular breaks to reduce strain on muscles and joints. Ninth is forklift accident. Forklifts are essential but dangerous machine in industry environment. Ensure operators are trained, use safety barriers, and implement traffic management system to reduce pedestrian and forklift collision. 10 is vehicle related accident. Industrial vehicles such as truck, forklift and cranes pose a major risk to workers. Ensure clear vehicle routes, maintain proper maintenance schedule for vehicles, and require high visibility vest for workers operating near machinery. And 11th is noise industry hearing losses. Extensive noise exposure can lead to permanent hearing loss. Provide earplugs or ear muff to all workers exposed to loud machinery and regularly monitor sound level in the work environment. 12th is heat stroke and heat stress. In industries that require physical labor in hot environment, heat stroke and heat stress are real dangerous. Ensure workers stay hydrated, take frequent breaks in cooler area, and wear lightweight clothing to prevent heat-related injuries. And 13 is exposure to asbestos or toxic dust. Asbestos exposure, inhalation of toxic dust can lead to severe long-term health problems. Provide respiratory, ensure proper ventilation, and adheres to safety guidelines when working with hazardous materials. 14 is confined space accident. Working in confined space can be hazardous due to limited oxygen or the pressure of toxic gases. Always ensure proper ventilation, provide gas monitors, and never enter a confined space without the proper permits and equipment. And 15 is struck by moving objects. Being struck by moving object is a common accident on industrial sites. Workers should be aware of their surroundings, and proper safety barriers and exclusion zones should be implemented to prevent injuries. Preventing industrial accident is possible with the right safety measures in place. Here is how you can protect yourself and your colleagues. First is training. All employees must undergo regular safety training. And second is personal protective equipment. And third is regular inspection. Routinely inspect equipment and machine to ensure everything is in working order. And fourth is safety protocol. Implement safety protocols such as lock out, a tang out, confined space entry permits, and emergency response producer. Fifth is reporting hazards. Encourage a culture of safety where workers report hazard without fear of retaliations. What to do if an accident occurs? Despite all precautions, accident may still occur. Here is what you need to do. First is assess the situation, quickly evaluate the scene to ensure it is safe for you and others. And second is provide first aid, and third is call emergency service, and fourth is report the incident. Industrial accident can have serious consequences, but with the right precaution, we can drastically reduce the risk. Make safety a priority in your workplace. Stay aware of potentially hazards and never underestimate the importance of proper training and equipment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more safety content. Stay safe out there.